Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today I am going to talk about Aurobindo Pharma share. Currently the Auro Pharma share price is crashing very quickly and there are too many questions in the mind of retail traders that how much it may fall, where is the next support, and moreover if they can invest on Auro Pharma shares or not. I will answer all these questions in this video and that too with deep level fundamental and technical analysis about Auro Pharma share. So friends, let's start with Aurobindo Pharma share price analysis. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. Currently we are in the technical chart of Aurobindo Pharma share and I have taken a daily time frame chart of Auro Pharma share. But as you know, technical analysis is not the only thing when you are going to invest your money in the stock for long term or medium term. For that we have to do deep fundamental level analysis for the stock to identify if we can invest our money in Aurobindo Pharma share with our confidence. So friends, for fundamental analysis of Aurobindo Pharma, we will go to screener.in. So here we are in the website screener.in and I have opened the fundamental page of Aurobindo Pharma share. First of all, we can see the book value of this share is around 374 rupees and the current market price of Auro Pharma share is running around 722 rupees. So if I calculate the current market price to book value ratio, it is coming around 2x, which is considered a healthy premium and we can assume that the price is in investable zone. The ROC of Auro Pharma share is around 18.5%, which is great because it is above 15%. And the ROE of Aurobindo Pharma is around 17.5%, which is excellent because it is way above our cutoff mark, that is 15%. And we can see the stock P of Auro Pharma is around 7.94, which is way below 30, which is a very good thing. And it is one of the lowest in the industry or in the pharma industry. Auro Pharma is also giving a dividend or regular dividend to its shareholder and it is dispatching a good amount of profit as a dividend. So friends, the low stock P and a low premium on book value both are telling us that the Auro Pharma share price is at a very good investable range. And the overall fundamental of this company is also telling us that the backbone of Aurobindo Pharma or the fundamental of Aurobindo Pharma is in the right track. And these figures are giving us enormous confidence about investing our money in Aurobindo Pharma for medium term and long term. But friends, for deep level analysis, we will also have to analyze the P&L statement or profit and loss statement and the balance sheet of the stock, which we will be doing next. So friends, we are in the quarterly result of Aurobindo Pharma or Auro Pharma. And here we will do two type of analysis. One is quarter by quarter analysis, means previous quarter analysis, and second is quarter on quarter basis analysis. That means we will first compare June 2021 with its previous quarter, that is March 2021, and then we will compare June 2021 with June 2020, which is on quarter basis. So friends, if we compare the net profit of June 2021 and March 2021, you may see that in June 2021, Auro Pharma has earned 770 crore rupees as net profit and in March 2021, it have earned 802 crore rupees as net profit. So there is a decline in profit on quarter basis or in previous quarter basis. And similarly, if we compare the profitability of June 2021 with June 2020, then you may also see that in June 2020, the profit was 783 crore rupees. And here also you may see there is a decline in profit with this year on year or quarter on quarter basis. Because the profit of current quarter is less than the profit on previous year's same quarter. So with this analysis, we can see that there is very less chance that any level of previous year may give a support to Auro Pharma share price because the profitability has declined both on previous quarter basis and quarter on quarter basis. And that is the main reason that even if the fundamentals are strong, the stock is facing a drastic price fall in recent days. Now friends, we will try to identify that which year may give us a support line or support area from where the stock may bounce back. So in that case, we will again go to the historical level and we will compare June 2021 with June 2019. So if we compare June 2021 with June 2019, you may see that the net profit of June 2019 was 636 crore rupees, whereas the profit or net profit in current quarter is 770 crore rupees. So here we can see that there is an increment in profit when I am comparing June 2021 with June 2019. So friends, with this full analysis, we can understand that 2020 year may not provide us a good level for support, but the year 2019 may give us a good support level because the profitability of current quarter is greater than the profitability of 2019 same quarter. So when we will be doing technical analysis on the chart, we will be trying to find a level from year 2019 which may give a good support to Aurobindo Pharma's price. But friends, as we are also thinking to invest in this stock for long term, we will also consider or also analyze the balance sheet of this stock. So let me take you to the balance sheet of this stock. So currently we are in the balance sheet of Aurobindo Pharma share. Here you can see the cash reserve of Aurobindo Pharma share is increasing on year basis, and it is increasing in good amount. So friends, this is a very positive point for Aurobindo Pharma share. You may also see the borrowings have also decreased in past 3 years continuously, which is also a very good positive point because that means the company is making profit and it is utilizing some of its profit to repay the borrowers. Next, if we see the fixed asset of this company, you may see a minor decline or minor decrement in the fixed asset, which is around 22 crore rupees. But if we analyze the breakdown in the fixed asset, then you may see that the investment of Aurobindo Pharma is increasing. So the decrement in this fixed asset have come from the increase in the accumulated depreciation. So even if the fixed asset is showing up some decrement, it is not a negative point. It is actually, I can mark it as average. So both the profit and loss statement and balance sheet are showing us that the stock or the backbone of the stock is very strong and the company is at good standing both operationally and financially. So friends, now we will be going to the technical chart of Aurobindo Pharma share and try to identify a level from year 2019 which may provide a greater support to falling price of Aurobindo Pharma. So let me take you to the technical chart of Auro Pharma shares. So friends, we have come to the technical chart of Auro Pharma share and here I have taken a daily time frame chart. And if I draw all my understanding and study in this chart, you may see there is two level I have already marked, these two blue lines, which I have already labeled as yearly support of 2019. As I have already shown you in the fundamental analysis that we have to identify some level or some support level from year 2019. This is the support area I have already calculated or already analyzed, which may provide a greater support to the falling price of Aurobindo Pharma share. And the price range of this support area is in between 640 rupees and 540 rupees. And if you follow the historical chart, then you will also find that this level have already provided support 2 times to Aurobindo Pharma in 2019 and in early 2020. So these two levels are verified levels. We may assume that the falling price of Aurobindo Pharma stock may stop in between these two levels and it may try to bounce back on the upside from these two levels only. It is a calculated risk and it is having 85% chance that these two levels will hold the price or hold the falling price of Aurobindo Pharma and it will try to bounce the price from here. The price zone of 640 rupees and 540 rupees is very important for Aurobindo Pharma. And if we try to think about Aurobindo Pharma share price target, then in medium term, our target will be the top position of the stock. Means we can expect that price will bounce back and it will again touch the high. And if you are thinking about investing in Aurobindo Pharma for long term, you may book a partial profit in this level or in this high and then you may leave your remaining shares for next 5 to 7 years. And as we are investing in Aurobindo Pharma for medium or long term, we may not think about any kind of SL because the fundamental is very strong and there is 85% chance that the price will bounce back and create a new high. But still, if you have low confidence on the trade, if you are in a low budget position, then you can access or you have to access your risk management capability and then you have to decide a SL for you according to your risk management or risk taking capabilities. So friends, if you like the content of our video, then please like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. And if you want any kind of live market guidance, you may join our Telegram channel and in discussion board you may post your question and queries. We will try to answer your question and queries as soon as possible. This is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You will find our Telegram channel link below this video and in the description of the video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We will surely meet in our next educational video.